Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah here with a Gardeners Beware video. You guys, listen up. Y'all see that? This is the second one. My son killed one yesterday that was in my driveway, and it traveled out to the mailbox into the road, and he was able to kill one because my dog gave us a warning in the driveway. He was barking like crazy. So throughout this gardening season, I have been weeding out a lot of buckets and grow bags because I felt like my garden was getting too tight to where I couldn't move or see. So I started to weed out several things, and my strawberry patch grow bag is going to be one of the things that I'm going to be changing out, because at the moment it is on a pallet. So this is just a little view from outside of the garden, the raised bed area, where my first blueberry patch is, where I was cleaning up. So I was pulling out the weeds, you guys, and I said because I don't like to see a lot of weeds, so this is the area that I was cleaning up. So every year what I try to do is go around the perimeter of my yard, and I use what is it, oh god, shout some, listen, I don't know, all I know is a weed killer. And I have used Roundup, and I start knockout weeds, that's what it is. So I came in here pulling by hand, which I need to stop doing that. So as I was pulling, man, I backed up, and usually when I'm pulling I move really quick. So as I was pulling and I came out of this area, I saw the tail. So I was like, well damn, is he in between these cinder blocks? Well yeah, he must have got stuck in between the cinder block and also this bird nest. So when I backed up, I was able to see him. So he strangled himself in the bird nest, and he couldn't get himself out. So see if I can zoom in so you guys can see that. So he's probably been tangled up for a good time, and he couldn't get out. So now, you know, nature is taking its course, and the flies and everything else is probably just gonna take care of him. But my son right now, he's cutting grass and weeding, and I was calling him to come over here to actually use the weed whacker to weed this area, but I didn't want to stop him, so I started pulling it. So yeah, so this is the other part, the ending of his tail. And like I said, I'm getting those pallets out of here. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I got cut off. All right, so what I was saying is, this is the area where I was weeding it out by hand. So as I was coming out of this corner, I saw this tail. So again, that's the tail right here, the ending of the tail. He went through the cinder block area, came up, and then got himself caught in the bird nest. So he actually trapped himself, which I am glad. And again, like I said, you guys, so actually my strawberry patch is coming back in some spots. Some plants are thriving right now, but this is one of the things that I'm going to take out too. Coming into next garden season, 2023, I'm going to be doing a lot of changing out, because I noticed that I got, you know, sometimes when you gardening, you get so excited with food and you want it in every aspect of the garden. You like don't want to see a space that's not growing anything. I realized last year that's what I was doing. So I got rid of a lot of buckets and grow bags, you guys. So I can see I'm not tripping over things as much as I was before. My walkways are not as tight as they was before. So again, this is why I'm going to be weeding out a lot, because I want to be able to see. And I live in such a country area, lots of woods, that I need to be mindful that these snakes is out here. And I think 2 years ago we killed a really big one, and Now they say that these are garden snakes. My son said the one that he got the other day was a chaser. I don't care what kind of snake it is, I just don't want them around me. And this is another reason why, as gardeners, we need to practice safety. We need to keep them gloves on. We need to keep them boots on. Y'all see my boots is on me today. They are, my boots need a new pair. But I said I'm gonna wear these suckers out. But they already done split on me. I think I had these probably for about 3 years, so they done put in some time. But yeah, you guys, gardener beware. Stay safe out there. Protect yourself. Wear your gloves, wear your mask when you're cutting grass, wear your mask when you're cutting wood, things of that nature. So practice your safety, even though this is a beautiful time of the year. Okay, you guys, so this is SEK. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.